Life doesn't reward intentions. It rewards execution. Nobody is coming to save you. You either build or you beg. Most people don't fail from lack of talent. They fail from comfort. Reality is simple. What you do daily decides what you become.
This faceless motivational video gets millions of views, and most people think that they need expensive software or editing skill to create them. But today I am going to show you how to create this kind of motivational videos using Canva, step by step from zero to export. No camera, no stress, no complicated editing. So if you want to create a content that looks cinematic and emotional and have a chance to go viral, then don't skip this video. Let's start. So first I will create a script for my video. For that I am going to use this ChatGPT. I have already generated a script for my video. Here is it. I will provide the prompt in the comment section and in the description. You can use that to generate your own script. It's very easy. So my script is ready. Now I need this in audio form. So I'm going to use this free tool called 11 Labs. You already know this. You can use any tool to generate audio. Now copy your script from here. And I'm going to use this voice spurts. This is perfect for my video. Click on this and remove this and paste your own script. Now click on play to generate your audio here.
Nobody is coming to save you. You either build or you beg.
Now click on download to download this audio. Now our script and audio is ready. Now we will create our video. Open canva.com. Click on this create button here and search Instagram Reel in the search bar and select this Instagram Reel. I have selected Instagram Reel, but you can post video in Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts or any other platform that supports vertical videos. So here my blank canvas is ready. Now fill it some with just some motivational stuffs. So go to elements here and search fill frame and click on see all here. Here you will find many cinematic frames that you can use in your videos to create cinematic look for your videos. Like I'm going to select this one for 3 videos. Just fill the canvas like this. Now add some video. But before that, let's add audio that we have generated from 11 Labs. Just go to upload tab. Click on upload files and upload your audio. Now your audio is uploaded. Click on that. It's added to your videos. Now add some video here. So go to video tab, videos tab, this one, and search some videos according to your video script. Life doesn't reward intentions. So let's add some. This one, thinking. You can use any keyword to generate video, to search video, sorry. Just fill the frames like this.
Life doesn't reward intentions.
Crop your video here. Now add another page for another sentence.
It rewards execution. Nobody is coming to.
It rewards execution. This one looks good. You can use any keyword. And let's add some frame here. Go to elements. Now I will use this frame and fill the canvas like this.
Reward intentions. It rewards execution.
Let's hear the next sentence.
Nobody is coming to save you.
Nobody is coming to save you. So crop this. Put your playhead at the end of the sentence. Add another page.
Nobody is coming to save you.
Nobody is going to save you.
Execution. Nobody is coming to save you. You either build.
Nobody is coming to save you. Go to video. Now I will use this one. Help. Now just add video and I will add frames after that.
Nobody is coming to save you. You either build.
Here. Now add another page.
You either build or you beg.
You either build or beg. Let's add this video. Build or beg. I will add two videos. This one looks good.
You either build or you beg. Life doesn't. Most people don't fail from lack of talent.
So add frames now. Looks good. I think I can use this one. Let's see this.
Life doesn't reward intentions. It rewards execution. Nobody is coming to save you. You either build or you beg.
Now you can see on the first slide here, these two videos are looking good, but this one is looking different. So I will add some filter here. Click on this, go to edit and click on these filters, see all, and you can choose any cinematic looking filters like Astro. Try this. No, something dark. This one looks good, I think. Change this one to. Click on edit, add some filter here. Click on this. You can adjust this also like this. Reduce the contrast and add some filters also here. Go to filters, adjust, increase the brightness. Now look it again.
Life doesn't reward intentions. It rewards execution. Nobody is coming to save you. You either build or you beg.
So this is how you can edit this. I will complete the whole video first. All the process are same. You can just choose the video, add it into a frame, and you can use the edit feature to edit the video, add filter and reduce the brightness to make it look more cinematic. And after that I will add some background music too to sound it more interesting, and after that I will add caption. So let me finish the whole video first and I will show you at the last of the video. Now I have completed almost the full video. Now just let me tell you one thing. If you find clip like something like this, let me show you.
Decides what you become.
I want the next part of this video. This is full video. Click on this. Click on this trim. And here you can see the whole video. If you need any part, just drag it to that part. I want this one here and click on done. So the whole video is completed. Now let me see the video.
Decides what you become.
Okay. So now it's time to add some transition. So you can also add some transition. Just click between these pages like this one, add transition, and from here you can add transition, dissolve, and there are many more transitions.
Intentions. It rewards execution.
You can add transition or you can leave it like that. It's up to you how you like this video. I don't want any transition, so let me remove that transition that I have added here. Click on this and none. Now I will add background music, because without background music the video will look boring. So, but before that I will add caption to my video, because here you can't use copyright music, because if you try to upload the copyright protected music and download your video, edited video, this will in Canva you can't download that. So I will add background music on when I will upload this video on Instagram Reel. I will show you there how you can add background music. So let me add caption here. Just upload your video that you have downloaded and now add some page here and drag your uploaded video here. So the video is on this page. Let me add some caption. Go to text and click on this dynamic text captions. Select your video. This is the only video that we have created. Select the last page here and click on generate caption.
Doesn't reward intentions. It rewards execution.
See, your caption is generated. Just place it on the middle of the screen and you can choose your font, whatever you like. I like this one. You can add effect to your text or animate your text. See, you can use this one. I will use this one, reveal effect. Let me see how it looks.
Life doesn't reward intentions. It rewards execution. Nobody is coming to save you. You either build or you beg. Most people don't fail.
So just download this. Now click on share, download, and we will download only the last page, this one where we have added the caption. Click on done and download this. Now I will show how you can add background music while uploading reel. So first open your Instagram account, okay, and then tap this plus icon here and upload your reel that you have created.
Most people don't fail from lack of talent.
This one.
They fail from comfort.
To add background music, tap on this music icon here. Now I will add a very famous background music that in many emotional and motivational video is used, is Radiohead. Type Radiohead and you will find this song No Surprises. Tap on this and tap on this arrow button, this one. Music is added, but I don't want vocal part. I want only instrumental part. For that, let's choose the beginning of the song. This one. This sounds good. Then tap on done. As you can listen, only background music is playing. The video audio is not audible. For that, just tap on this icon here. Make sure clip audio is 100%. Unmute this audio, this one, and tap on this no surprises. Tap on this and tap on volume and decrease the volume of background music, something on 60, and tap on done. And let's listen the audio.
Talent. They fail from comfort. Life doesn't reward intentions. It rewards execution. Nobody is coming to save you. You either build or you beg.
So this is how you can add background music, and tap on here and upload your video.